Hey everyone, I am Anasri Mukherjee and I have started my college life. So today and in this channel, I would be sharing my college life experiences. For me, I am just unable to control my emotions. So what I've started doing is I wake up early in the morning, I calm myself down, I have water and then I meditate for like I've started with 10 minutes and then I kept on increasing it day by day. So yeah, here it is and I really love meditating and the day when I am unable to wake up early in the morning, it literally makes my day feel very gloomy, I don't feel like, yeah, this is not a day going right. And after these things happening, I have made it a habit that no matter what, it doesn't matter how late I am getting, but I am supposed to meditate no matter what. So yeah, I started meditating and I have felt the peace in my mind, the peace in my soul, and I've started becoming happier from my soul. From inside I've been way happier than I was earlier. Like if they're supposed to do a work, they keep thinking about it. Instead of thinking about those work, just go ahead with that work. Don't think about it. If you're supposed to do that work, just don't waste your energies over thinking those things that yeah, I have to do this, I have to do that and planning those things. Like just say for an example, if you're supposed to take bath or if you're supposed to go for your breakfast. So don't plan yourself that now after doing this much I will do that and after doing that I will do that. You're just wasting an energy over it. Just go ahead with it. Don't think about it. For things which you're supposed to do no matter what, don't think about it. Just go ahead with it. It would save a lot of your time, your energy, and would let your brain, your mind be calm. Yeah, you have to do this. It would focus you more over your things to be done instead of wasting your brain and your energy over things that yeah, you are supposed to do anyhow, but still this thing happens. And also it just happened that I am unable to complete my task, like complete task. I would have planned 10 things to be done, so I'm unable to complete those 10 things. But the point is, I am able to complete those 5 things. So what happens is when you start doing your to-do list, you get to know your own capability that you can complete these many tasks and you can do these many things along with your daily things to be done in a day. So yeah, and even to-do list would kill your procrastination because procrastination is the worst thing. Honestly, with me, I used to first think, yes, मैं ये भी कर लूँगी, मैं ये भी कर लूँगी, ये भी कर लूँगी. And the point is, after thinking so much, I wasn't able to do anything because I thought so much, but I could not do because I did not write it down or because I did not think practically about it. So writing the to-do list and then just going ahead with it would help you. And honestly, in the beginning, it won't help you. But here is the catch: when you start doing a to-do list, by the end of the day, suppose you completed your 5 tasks out of 10 tasks. Don't demotivate yourself that you could only do 5 tasks. Come on, you did 5 tasks instead of doing 0 that you did the previous day. Okay, so just you did that. Fine. Now again, before going to the bed, you're making this list to-do list. Now this is a thing. The next day, instead of thinking that you just completed 5 tasks, you have again 10 more tasks to be done. So your goals would be like, you have to complete. Yesterday I did 5 tasks. I would try to complete 6, 7 tasks, and this will keep you motivating. This will keep you going throughout your time, throughout your day. Even sometimes it does happen that you're feeling weak or environmental conditions. It's very hot. It's very cold. You feel weak. You feel like let's take a rest or something like that. But when you have your to-do list, this happens that पहले ये काम कर लेते हैं. Let's do this work earlier. Let's do this work पहले, and then we'll rest, we'll take rest, and we'll chill. So and then you have a kind of relaxing mind. Like suppose I did 5 work, I had written 5 tasks from it. I completed my 5 tasks. Now I'm taking rest. Now I'm chilling. Now I'm scrolling over my Instagram feed. I'm just scrolling over YouTube. I'm just relaxing. I'm just sleeping or something like that. I can, but people around you, then they are panicking. Or I did not this thing. I did not do that thing. This thing, that thing. It will just get you out from the chaos and make you a bit better person and make your mind calm so that you can focus on better things for tomorrow, for the next day. Yeah, so to-do list is very important. For me also it happened. Earlier I started planning these many things, and now these things have killed my procrastination, and I know I can do only this much, and I know my capability. I know my capacity that I can do this much, and I'm done with it. Once I'm done with it, I'm like, okay, now I'm satisfied with the day, I'm done. And also when you do your to-do list, make sure you write even the revisions of your to-do list, because you sometimes forget that you think and then you forget. So write everything in your to-do list, literally everything. And when I'm mentioning this to-do list, I'll make sure that I share my to-do list every day, like all those lists that I've done before going to the bed, that I made this list and I did this much thing, because it should be transparent, right? So yeah, I would be doing that, and I would be sharing everything out here, like whatever I wish to person, whatever I'm trying to do, whatever the slightest changes that I'm trying to bring in my life to become a better person and to get a better step ahead for my goals, for my aims, for my achievements. I am trying to do that and share this in my YouTube account. And yeah, this is done for the day. And thank you guys. For more updates, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.